Thank you, Steve. Joanna's in from Business in Vancouver to talk about, well, this hour we're going to talk about the TSX and global markets. Of course, the TSX had Canada Day off, but the rest of the world was still open for business.
That's right. It was very much open for business. We've seen that the Canadian dollar is down a little this morning again, and that actually relates to what I'm going to talk about, which is that global stock markets were seeing kind of a bump yesterday, and there was very strong U.S. economic data about manufacturing from in the US. And that means that analysts are seeing that the US economy is maybe outpacing the Canadian dollar a bit, and that's what's really driving the dollar down even more.
Right.
And also Japanese manufacturing figures were very strong too. Okay. So that gave the global stock markets quite the boost yesterday.
Yeah, we saw some good numbers from Asia. What about Europe?
Europe is much more of a mixed message. Actually, yesterday, most of the stocks rose across the board, but there were also some very bad jobless numbers that were coming up. So as you can see on the board there, 12.1% it rose to, these are numbers for May, across the Eurozone, 23.8% for the under 25s all the way across the Eurozone, and 50% for under 25s in Greece and Spain. So 1 in 2 under 25s in those countries out of work.
That's incredible. Which
is just an astonishing figure. So we're going to continue to see very mixed messages from the Eurozone for sure.
Okay, and really quickly, BlackBerry had lots of trouble.
It did have lots of trouble. It continued its slide on Friday, and then yesterday it slid even further. So it's down really low. It's lost like 28% of its value in a few days.
Wow.
So it's not doing well.
Oh no. All right. Thanks very much, Joanna. We're talking beer next hour.
We are.
Okay. We'll talk to you then. You can get more on these stories and others on Business in Vancouver's website, BIV.com.